The chapter is Polynomials for Standard 9, and this is part 4. So continuing with our factor theorem and remainder theorem. It's f of x is given, and it's given x minus 1 is a factor, and it leaves a remainder 2 when divided by x minus 2. So they have given two situations. So fx when it's divided by x minus 1 is a factor. If x minus 1 is a factor, then f of 1 is equal to 0. This is condition 1, and then it leaves a remainder 2 when divided by x minus 2. So f of x divided by x minus 2, the remainder is equal to 2. That means f of 2 is equal to 2. This is as per factor theorem. This is remainder theorem. Now these are the two situations. Now we have to solve using these two. So f of 1, let's substitute the value of x as 1 and find. Then equate it equal to 0. So 2 into 1, 2, plus a into 1, a, plus b minus 6 is equal to 0. So you get, from this you get a plus b, 2 minus 6 is minus 4. When it goes the other side, it becomes plus 4. So this is the first equation. A plus b is equal to 4. Now when it is divided by x minus 2, so we have the remainder as 2, so f of 2. So let's find f of 2 is equal to, substituting 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 squared plus b into 2 minus 6 is equal to 2. This is 16 plus 4a plus 2b minus 6 is equal to 2. So 4a plus 2b, 16 minus 6 is 10. So 2 minus 10 becomes minus 8. You can divide throughout by 2. So this will become 2a plus b is equal to minus 4. Now you have an equation a plus b equal to 4 and 2a plus b equal to minus 4. So let us solve this equation. 2a plus b. So we'll get a plus b equal to 4 and 2a plus b equal to minus 4. Let us add 1 plus 2, equation 1 and 2. We will subtract. So you get minus a minus 2a is minus a, b minus is 0 is equal to 4 minus 4 is 8. So from this you get a equal to minus 8. And we get b is equal to, substituting it in equation 1, substituting in 1, we get minus 8 plus b equal to 4. So from this b is equal to 4 plus 8, 12. So you get a is equal to minus 8 and b equal to 12. So we can write this as, or we can also do, so now here we have found the value of a and b. If the question is find the value of a and b, you can do this. Now they have asked find the relation between a and b. So we can do is add 1 plus 2. So you get 3a, this if we add, you get 3a plus 2b is equal to 0. So from this you can get 3a is equal to minus 2b. So this is the relation. So either if the value of a and b has to be found, you have to use this method. If you have to find the relation, you can use this method. So 3a is equal to minus 2b is the relation. Now the polynomial is x squared plus px plus q. So f of x is equal to x squared plus px plus q, and another polynomial. So x plus a is a factor of both the polynomials. F of x is this, g of x is equal to another polynomial, g of x is equal to x squared plus mx plus n. Now x plus a is a factor, x plus a is a factor of f of x and g of x. So f of minus a is equal to 0, g of minus a equal to 0. So f of minus a is equal to a squared minus a the whole squared. So a squared minus ap plus q is equal to 0. Okay, and g of minus a is equal to again a squared minus ma plus n is equal to 0. So we will equate these two. So equating 1 and 2 is both are 0, so you can equate it. So a squared minus ap plus q is equal to a squared minus ma plus n. Now a squared and a squared will get cancelled. So we will bring this ma this side. So ma plus ap is equal to n. This q we will bring this side, so it becomes minus q. And let us take a as common out. M minus p is equal to n minus q, and a is equal to n minus q by m minus p. So that's what has been asked to prove. So it's very easy. You have to just substitute. Since it's a factor, you have to simply write f of minus a is 0 and g of minus a equal to 0, and then equate it. Now here the polynomial is this, and polynomial this leave the same remainder. So f of x is this, and g of x is another polynomial x cube minus 4x plus a. So now it is divided by x minus 3, and it leaves the same remainder. So f of 3 is equal to, so now f of 3 will be equal to g of 3, because both has the same remainder. So f of 3 is equal to a into 3 cube plus 4 into 3 squared plus 3 into 3 minus 4 is 27a plus 36 plus 9 minus 4. So this is equal to 27a plus 41. Now g of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 4 into 3 plus a 27 minus 12 plus a. So this will become now f of 3 is equal to g of 3. So we get 27a plus 41 is equal to 15 plus a. So 27a minus a is equal to 15 minus 41. So 26a is equal to, this is minus 26. Yes. So a is equal to minus 1. So here the polynomial is given. It is such that when it is divided by x minus 1 and x plus 1, the remainders are 5 and 9 respectively. That means when it is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 5. When this is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 19. So let's write down this f of x divided by x minus 1. The remainder is equal to 5. When f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 19. Yeah. So we have to find here a and b from these, and then we have to find the remainder when it is divided by x minus 2. So we'll substitute. So f of x is divided by x minus 1, remainder is 5. This means f of 1 is equal to 5, and here it means f of minus 1 is equal to 19. So let's substitute f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b is equal to 5. So that is 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 2 2, 2. So minus a plus b is equal to 4, 5 minus 2 is 3. So minus a plus b equal to 3. This is the first equation. Now we will put f of minus 1 is equal to, so minus 1 the whole to the power of 4 minus 2 into, if you get confused, it's better you write down this and then simplify. Minus a into minus 1 plus b is equal to 19. So this is equal to 1. So this becomes minus. So minus minus plus, plus 2 plus 3 plus a plus b is equal to 19. So a plus b is equal to 13. So this is the second equation. Now solving this, solving 1 and 2. So if you add 1 and 2, equation 1 plus 2, so minus a plus b equal to 3 plus a plus b is equal to 13. So you get 2b is equal to 16. So b is equal to 8. So substituting from this you get, if you substitute b is equal to 8 here, so minus 8 minus a will become, substituting 8 in this, so substituting you get a is equal to 5. So therefore now f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x squared minus ax. So it will become minus 5x plus 8. Now this is fx. Now we have to find the remainder when it is divided by x minus 2. So if f of x is divided by x minus 2 means f of 2 we have to find is the remainder. So f of 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 squared minus 5 into 2 plus 8, 16, again this also will become 16, plus 12 minus 10 plus 8, so this get cancelled, 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So the remainder is